Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So let's see, hAutAjArvi or something. Try Sicilian defense. Maybe a dragon. It's playing positional line. Okay. I do wonder about a quick F5 idea. Try and break the bind. Try and get the center control going. Okay. Can I do this? Try and keep my knight for a moment. Still push for d5 later. Now if I took and then d5. No, d6 is a bit of a troublesome here. Actually, I don't know. Taking knight e4 d5, is that so terrible? I'll find out. Knight e5, maybe dangerous d takes. Knight c5 e4. Is that terrible? e4. So if I take queen g7, doesn't look too good. There's knight f5 here. Queen e5 check. If I castle, there's knight e6. There's queen b6 there. Taking. Or queen a5. Do I believe that? I think I do believe that queen g7 is too dangerous to tolerate. Knight f5, queen e5, queen e7. Takes on f5. I think it's probably... No, knight e6. He's on g7. Okay. Trouble. Well, maybe I should just take and hope for the best. Oh dear. This could be bad. Maybe king d7. Or fg. It's rook e1. Okay, queen d6. Queen f4. And queen... my rook. Okay, let's get the rook out of here.
Check.
Am I going to survive this? I doubt it. That move. I thought maybe rook e1 looked pretty good. Fg here first before doing anything. Let's check. King c7. I'll do this first. There's rook e1. And g1. I'll try doing that first. I wonder. Okay, so it's g1. Play the check. That looks too crushing. It looks pretty grim. Maybe I should move my king. Too late. Now g1. Oh man. Knight f6, king d6, queen e6, king c5. I could try g1 and hope for the best. Try and distract a rook, but knight f6 looks pretty dangerous. So this guy's rings.
Check.
There's a monster on, but it's something's quite good ratings on those. So king c7 on. Rook takes. There's king b6 though. Maybe that's a good shot because I keep my queen there. I'm down to a minute 35. Looks pretty scary. Rook takes king b6. The bishop's actually holding b7. My king's been... I thought they'd been slaughtered, but hang on a sec. What's happening here? I'm gonna get my king over here. Don't try this at home. Yeah. So okay, I'm a piece up, but scary. Knight f5 or queen d6. Knight f5, knight d5, queen d5. I was coming in for the kill over here. Put my king on a7 then.
Check.
Is it safe for a moment with that bishop protecting b7? Can I really unravel from this? How would I do this? Okay, yeah. There's rook g1. Can I get counterattack? Looks as though his back row's a bit weak, actually, after all that. Interesting. Oh, it looks better than before. Pretty sure we look at it with the engine after. He had a before swing earlier. Okay, yeah, it looks a bit precarious. So check.
Check.
All right, so can I do this? Queen b4. Hold on a sec.
Check.
Don't tell me that's immediately really dangerous. It is, isn't it? d4 is really dangerous. So king e2, check. Blimey, that's a turn up for the books. He resigned. Oh, I think that was too dangerous what I did. Didn't look right, I must admit. It's controversial. Now the engine actually mentioned bishop e7 or f takes. Hang on. This position, interesting. Doesn't look as though Black wants to do this because of d6, but maybe it's kind of okay. This bishop pair. There's bishop g5 on f2. Okay. This didn't look right. Yeah. It's. Oh, hang on. What? No, it's. I thought it'd be a +3 or something. Wow. Oh no. I've actually played a good move here. Rook g8.
Check.
Wow. I just thought I was getting really bashed. F takes g2. Oh my word. Oh, rook takes g1. So better would be king c8 apparently. Oh, of course, I've always got g1, haven't I? If rook takes, there's g1. Oh, he's kind of weighed down by the g pawn here. So if he takes, you know, I just queen again. Oh man, didn't see that. King c8.
Check.
So he missed the chance here. Just rook takes would have been good. He's in the driving seat still.
Check.
This seems to be. Maybe I was more scared than a6
Check.
is sufficient. It's sufficient to put the king on a7, it seems.
Check.
Yeah, he's crumbled.
Check.
After queen b4. Incredible, incredible. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks very much.